Well, hello everybody. It is that time of the month again. Super excited. We have our Glitterchimp Mystery Box. As I've said before, but I'll let you guys know that I do the 2 boxes so that I get all the goods plus the extra glitter. If you do, and I'm sorry, I'm reading my thing. $55 every other month. I do 2 boxes, so it's $110 every other month. And you get 16 jars of glitter plus 1 bonus jar when you order both. So 17 jars of glitter for that. I'm happy with it. It's because you get some really neat stuff. It's not just their plain glitter. It's all of their different types of glitter. Somebody said the sound in my last video, you could barely hear me, so I hopefully have fixed that. Please let me know in the comments if I have not, and I will work on that. I have cut open the tape, but I have not opened the box. Every other month you could do a mica subscription, which I love too, and I meant to do an unboxing last month of my mica subscription and I did not. I do apologize because there were some beautiful micas in there. I'll try to be better about doing that every month. But here we go. Y'all ready? Hi Maggie. Got the dogs helping over here. Oh, looks like my glitter went a little bursty in the box. Alright, let's see. We have Lavish Lavender. This is one that I believe I already have, but that's okay. I'm all about it. There you go for the ASMRs. This one is a Coarse, Pearlescent Coarse glitter. Oh, that's real pretty. It's not super sparkly, but it's not matte. That's pretty. Be interesting to see what that looks like under some epoxy. Man, you can get up if you want. Alright, Leopard dot striped glitter. I think this is new. This is not something they've had before. ASMR. Alright. So on this one, I don't know if you guys are going to be able to pick it up, but there are like polka dots on the glitter. It reminds me more, of course, their Mixology, but it's pretty sizable pieces. And like I said, it's a dot striped glitter, so the pieces are dots and each dot is striped. That's kind of neat. Be interesting to see what that looks like also. Alright, Boots and Bling Mixology glitter. This one is a turquoise green, tealish green. It's like one of my favorites. It's almost like that 50s kitchen green with gold in there as well. Perfect combo. That is sparkly. Look at that. I have somebody that's requesting possibly a hot pink and teal cup. This might be kind of neat to put a little extra bling in there. Alright, Royal Navy. I thought those was black sitting in there. Kind of reminds me of their Midnight Blue. Also got some gold in there, I believe. It's one of their Mixology, so it's like a deep navy and gold. Real pretty. If you have any weddings coming up, I bet those would be colors that would potentially work, depending on, of course, the colors for the wedding. That's what it reminded me of. Okay, Daytona Peach. I think you could use this one as a perfect, this would be perfect in a sunset. Oh, that is pretty. It's a pearlescent coarse glitter, so it's pearlescent like the Lavish Lavender. Ooh, Radish dot striped glitter, so it's kind of like the Leopard with the dot shaped and the stripes on the glitter itself. Ooh, that's fun. That's super fun. I don't know if you guys can see that detail in there, but each dot has stripes on it. It's pretty cool, really. Something different, and it's a real pretty color to boot. Come here, Maggie. I'm gonna get my little one here. Little one meaning little fur baby. Say hi, Maggie. She's my old lady. Alright, now we have Turquoise. This is also a pearlescent coarse glitter. You helping Maggie? Want some glitters? So I would imagine this one's going to have the shine like the Lavish Lavender. Oh yeah, see? Oh, it's real soft though. We will clean that up in a jiff. I took the, you know, the spice racks that people use to hang the glitter, the glitter on the wall. I put them right here. then when I'm working on something, I put the glitters that I'm going to use for that project in here, and it keeps me from doing what I just did. You went down, baby? Oh, baggy. But oh, we'll clean it up. I'll clean it up, I promise. That will not go to waste. Okay, Princess Peach. If anybody's familiar with Mario, I recognize that. This one is also a Mixology. That's real pretty. I don't have a Mixology anywhere near these colors. Very, very pretty. Very shimmery. My desk is going to be beautiful when this is done. Woohoo, Mushu. Look at that. Another Mixology. Now that is pretty. See the sparkle in it? I hope that's picking up on camera. I may have to pick that up so it doesn't get contaminated with everything else. Let's see. There we go. Sorry guys, I can maybe cut that out, but it happens to the best of us. Alright. Evergreen Pearlescent Coarse Glitter. Oh, I thought it was, this looks almost black too, but when you see, when the light hits it, it's like a very, very dark forest green. Beautiful. Oh, see, my mind's reeling with what you could do with that too. You could use that on one of those, with the mountain scenes, what do they call them? Everybody calls them the, I don't remember. But you got the forest scene and the night skies. Alright, Fig and Awesome. I think I may have this one. I'm not sure if this is a new one or not. Different kind of top. Okay, so this one is actually more of like a purple. It's also very dark. I like that there's some dark ones in here. Definitely dark ones could be used for all kinds of things, so that's nice. Aurora Borealis cups. I'm trying now, it's gonna bug me. I don't remember. Alright, this one is Snow Queen, a Mixology. It's also with the golds, and that is just beautiful. Look at that. I'm going to have to use this immediately on something. That's beautiful. It's like pearlescent white and gold. Alright, Snakeskin. This one is a dot striped also. So the glitters themselves, pieces are dot shaped, and each piece is striped. That's pretty too. I like these. There's something new, interesting. Alright, let's see. Truffle. Pearlescent Coarse. Oh, that's pretty. It's like a... How would you describe that? It's got like a goldish undertone. Maybe a brownish undertone. A dark brownish black. I don't know how to describe it. It's real pretty, but I don't know how to describe it. I like it. Alright. Elegant. Another Mixology. This one's very pretty. It's like lavender. Oops. Lavender gold. I hope, like I said, I hope you guys can see the sparkle on these. Look at that. My desk's gonna be real pretty. That's real pretty. decide what to use these on. All right, nerds. This is a Mixology glitter. It's pretty because I have some like this, but the individual pieces don't have shimmer. These seem like they have a pearlescent almost shimmer to them. So nerds, that'd be good for Easter coming up. Perfect Easter colors. And then we have another dot stripe glitter. This one is Dalmatian. There it is. Those are interesting. Like I said, let's see what we're going to use those on. I'm going to have to branch out a little bit, maybe. All right, and then we got a green chimp. And that is the box. Now remember, like I said, this is the double box, so this is all 17. If you do the single box, you still get 8, and it's always some of their new stuff, so it's really a fantastic deal. I think it's a fantastic deal. I love it because it's a good reason for me to get new glitters every other month, so I look forward to it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. As always, I'm still trying to grow the channel. I had some great videos all ready to upload. I just need to do a couple more things on them, and my phone cracked, and when I transferred everything to the new phone, it didn't transfer the videos. So if I can ever recover those, I will get those posted. I did one of doing a gnome tumbler, and then I'm trying to remember what the other one is. I'm drawing a blank. Apparently I'm thinking about this time of day. But anyways, so I do hope you enjoyed the video. Please feel free to leave any comments below. Let me know if the sound is a little better this time. Let me know what you think about the unboxing. Please go ahead and visit Glitterchimp if you have not. They have some beautiful glitters. Very nice people. Customer service is great. So it's definitely worth a visit. And yeah, so I will get back with you guys soon. Please like, comment, share, all of the above to help the channel grow. And I hope everybody stays happy, safe, and healthy out there. And I will talk to you guys soon. Thanks.